Hello friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we will gonna see how to configure SeekaHost Business Mail in Thunderbird. Let's jump in the video. Install the Thunderbird in your mobile or laptop and open it. If you are installing for first time, it will look like this. Else you have already opened the Thunderbird. On the left hand side, click the email option to add the email account. Full name, enter your name which you want to enter. And the email address, enter your email address. Once you have entered, click continue option. The mail configuration for your email account will try to detect automatically. Choose your protocol whether you want IMAP or POP3. Once chosen, click continue option to proceed. Enter your mail account password. Then click continue option to proceed. Wait for a few seconds to complete the process. You can see the mail account is successfully added in Thunderbird. You can send the mail using Thunderbird. In case if you are facing configuration issue in automatic configuration, now we can see how to do manual configuration. Same login page, enter your name and email address. Left hand side you will see the option manual configuration. Click the manual configuration option. Here you have to configure incoming and outgoing mail server. You may arise one question, where you will get these details? You don't need to find these details anywhere. While purchasing the mail hosting package, you will receive all the details in your registered email account along with the mail configuration details. Suppose if you are unable to locate the details in your mail account, we will find you the easy steps to find the mail details. Log in to your SeekaHost client area. On the right hand side on the profile section, click email history. The mail hosting order details subject to see your details. Scroll down a little, you will see the mail configuration details. Here, incoming server and outgoing server both are same. Now copy the incoming server. Now go to your Thunderbird mail account. Enter your incoming server in hostname. Protocol you can choose IMAP or POP3 as per your wish. For both, incoming mail server is same. Connection security, you can choose the auto detect. It will detect all your port number automatically. If you wish to do manual configuration, you will find the port number details in the mail settings. Authentication method also same. If you choose auto detect, whatever the authentication you have chosen, it will choose automatically. Once you have entered all the details, click continue option to proceed the next step. Next, it will ask you to enter outgoing server settings. Enter the host name that you have entered for the incoming server settings. Here in the connection security, choose the auto detect, or if you choose some other option and then enter your port number. Authentication method, if you choose auto detect, it will detect all your settings automatically. Left hand side option, click test. By clicking this test option, we will see whether the entered configuration detail is right or wrong. Once it is checked completely, you will see the successful green check message. If you have done any mistakes in configuration, it will show the error message. Again you have to enter the right configuration. Now click continue. Next and final step, it will ask you to enter your mail account password. Enter your mail account password. Click continue. Wait for a few seconds to add the email account to Thunderbird. Once it is added, you will see the prompt window. Close the window. The mail account is added successfully. To check the mail is working, click new message option. To address, enter your receiving mail address, subject name and type any message content to check whether the mail is sending or not. Once the mail is sent completely, you can click the send items to see whether the mail is sent or not. That's all friends. With this method, you can able to add SeekaHost Business Mail in Thunderbird. If you find difficulties configuration, contact SeekaHost for support. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more informative videos.